everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have another homeschooling video for you guys. I shared what is going to be our soon-to-be fourth graders curriculum for the upcoming school year a few weeks ago. I had a few more things I needed to figure out and get for my daughter, my oldest daughter, who's going to be in 10th grade this coming school year. So one of the things hasn't arrived yet. It's going to be here soon, but I'm going to go ahead and just insert a picture of that thing. Everything else we have, it's ready to go. And if you guys have a high schooler and you homeschool, you know it's a lot more work sometimes to figure out what they need, when they need it, how it's going to prepare them for college, how it's going to help them to graduate, you know, all that stuff. So, but that's why it took me a little bit longer to get my soon-to-be 10th graders curriculum video up for you guys than my soon-to-be fourth graders. So I hope you guys understand. I'll have links for everything that I'm going to be showing you in the description box. I'm just going to lay it all out on the table so you can kind of see everything all at once. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. But let's get into the curriculum choices video for 10th grade for the 2019-2020, which is nuts, school year. Okay, so I don't have a whole lot to show you because some things have not come yet and some things are all online. There's nothing really to show you. But I am going to link everything I'm going to be talking about, whether there's actually a physical copy of the book or not. But this is everything I have right now for my soon-to-be 10th grader. She is continuing on with biology from Apologia. She has used Apologia for science since we started homeschooling in fourth grade. And she really likes it and it works really well for her. So this is the biology class that she's taking that we started at the end of last year, 9th grade. And she didn't finish, so she's going to be working on that and finishing that in 10th grade. For history, we're going to be doing the Bob Jones World History course. She's actually doing the distance learning option, so her class is online, and then she has the textbook and the workbook to do the activities in. There's also tests. I'm really excited about that. My youngest daughter is also going to be doing the Bob Jones BJU Press History online, so that's really exciting. For math, she is going to be teaching textbooks Algebra 1. She started that towards the end of 9th grade and she's still working through that, so she's going to be continuing on with that. We love teaching textbooks. I've talked about it till I'm blue in the face. You guys know how much I love it. Both girls are using it, and so she's going to be continuing on with that for math, but I don't have it to show you because it's all online. For English, we're going to be continuing on with the Good and the Beautiful's high school language arts program. It is actually going to be coming out here any day now, but I don't have the physical copies to show you. I will be doing a separate video though, showing you everything that comes in the high school language arts curriculum from the Good and the Beautiful, so stay tuned for that, but that's why it's not here, but she is going to be doing that. She did it last year for freshman year and we loved it. I've got several reviews on that I'll link below for you guys in case you want to check that out. So that's for her language arts. For French, she's continuing on with the living language, the CDs, and then she also does Duolingo, so those two things combined make up her French curriculum. She's also going to be doing an art class. That's going to be one of her electives, so French is one elective. She did it last year, she's doing it this year as well. And her other elective is going to be art. She's doing a pottery class with our homeschool co-op, and then she's doing an online like drawing class through udemy.com. I just found out about them a couple weeks ago. I'll link the website below. There are tons of classes on there that you can take. The classes are usually really inexpensive, and there's tons of different art classes and science, like just all types of different classes. Even if you're not a student and you're just someone who wants to learn a new skill, there are tons of classes on the Udemy website, so I'll link that below for you guys. That is everything. That is her 6 classes. So once she completes all this stuff next school year, she's going to be studying over the summer for her CLEP exam. A CLEP exam is basically a test that you take that if you pass it, you don't have to take that class in college. So she's going to be studying for the biology CLEP exam, one of the math ones, also the world civilization CLEP exam. There may actually be 2 history exams that she may be able to take to try to test out of. If she doesn't pass, it's fine. She can try again later, or she can just go ahead and take the class in college. But it's a nice option because if you do pass, you don't have to take that in college, and it can save you hundreds and hundreds of dollars just to pass out of that class. So that's our plan for 10th grade homeschool. I will have everything linked below, even if it's something you don't see. I will still have everything linked below for her 6 classes. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and stay tuned for that The Good and the Beautiful High School Language Arts Curriculum Unboxing. I did one last school year when we did their level 1 course, and then I'll be doing it again this year for level 2. So stay tuned for that. Check the description box for my homeschooling playlist. All of my videos are in there for homeschooling curriculum choices and organization and all of that stuff. So all of that is linked for you in the description box, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.